Introducing Rosaurin, a multimodal ROS development platform powered by large AI models and designed for immersive, hands-on AI education. Packed into its compact body, Rosaurin brings together top-tier hardware, including a high-performance Jetson controller, a far-field microphone array, LiDAR, and a 3D depth camera. Its ingenious structural design allows Rosaurin to quickly switch between the three different chassis, opening the door to endless educational possibilities. Through the deep integration of the large vision model, the large speech model, and the large language model, Rosaurin delivers precise environmental perception and brings natural, dynamic, intelligent interaction in real-world settings.
Hello, Highwonder.
I'm here.
Take a look at what's in front of you. Move forward by 10 centimeters, then back up 10 centimeters, and finally, let me know what the weather is like.
I see an Eiffel Tower model, a Highwonder sign, red and blue blocks, and an adorable yellow duck. New York is sunny today with temperatures between 20 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit.
Powered by a multimodal vision model, Rosaurin autonomously detects and reliably tracks target objects.
Hello, Highwonder.
I'm here.
Track the carnivores ahead of you.
Tiger tracking activated, following the king of the jungle like a shadow.
Built on ROS2 with full SLAM mapping and navigation, Rosaurin constructs detailed maps, plans efficient routes, and moves autonomously to search designated areas.
Hello, Highwonder.
I'm here.
Can you help me find the dog?
No dog found, just giraffes, tigers, and elephants. Found it. The dog is sitting nicely on the football field.
Leveraging the powerful perception, reasoning, and decision-making enabled by large AI models,
Hello, Highwonder.
I'm here.
Measure the distance to the building in front. If it's more than 30 centimeters, move forward. If it's less, back up a bit.
Building's 42.6 centimeter away. Time to roll forward. Move forward smoothly. Mission complete.
Hello, Highwonder.
I'm here.
I'm a little hungry. Find a convenience store nearby, then tell me what's good to eat.
Snack time. Let me check what's on the shelves for you.
Rosaurin achieves outstanding results in complex tasks. It understands commands, automatically breaks tasks into manageable steps, and adjusts strategies in real time to efficiently execute complex operations.
I found milk, chips, and tons of snacks. Perfect for your hunger.
Go grab some fruit for me and tell me what you find.
Time to see what fruity treasures await. Found apples, peaches, and oranges. Ready to grab some for you.
Rosaurin allows conversations to be interrupted, making interactions feel more natural and responsive.
Hello, Highwonder.
I'm here.
Go forward along the blue line.
Rolling on the blue highway.
Hello, Highwonder.
I'm here.
Turn around and keep going.
Turned around and moved ahead.
Using 360-degree LiDAR scans combined with IMU and odometry data, Rosaurin can achieve centimeter-level mapping and navigation in unknown environments through multiple approaches. Its swing-arm suspension chassis keeps all wheels firmly on the ground, enabling precise navigation, dynamic obstacle avoidance, and real-time TEB path planning. The dedicated mapping and navigation apps make SLAM learning smoother, connecting theory with hands-on practice. Its 3D structured light depth camera produces real-time depth maps and point clouds for detailed 3D color mapping, along with accurate distance and volume measurements.
Cylinder. Cuboid.
Rosaurin integrates the open-source MediaPipe framework to recognize faces, track fingertips, detect gestures, and analyze body poses, delivering a variety of intelligent, interactive experiences. Rosaurin achieves efficient and reliable visual tracking using the KCF object detection algorithm. With its depth camera, it enhances spatial awareness, enabling intelligent following with three-dimensional distance sensing. Using the OpenCV color recognition algorithm, it can autonomously track and navigate along detected paths, even on complex terrain. Moreover, we provide a URDF simulation model and complete ROS source code, along with systematic tutorials and practical exercises. This forms a one-stop learning ecosystem that guides users from entry to advanced levels, and from theory to practice. This is Rosaurin, the perfect platform to start building your own intelligent embodied robot.